Good morning, cats and kittens, pups and pooches. It's Susie Q96, and sometimes it's Susie Smart. Um, just wanting to let y'all know, having a little contest on Monday, April the 12th, on the Lodo Coin Collecting Show. There will not be comment videos or anything like that. The only way to get entered into the contest is to show up on one of my shows, and there are 3 of them now. I have in the morning, we have It Was the News with Susie Smart, and you'll have to go in there and find out who Susie Smart was. It was the news covers, old newspaper articles, and news items regarding coin collecting, currency, metal detecting, and other items of such interest that actually come from factual, news-based historical documents. Then on Mondays at 5 o'clock, we have the Lodo Coin Collecting Show. That's 5 Eastern. And on Wednesday, we have Sweeping the Dirt, which is the live stream for metal detecting. Now, in order to get an entry, we're still playing Cats and Dogs, which, if you've been on my channel, you know how Cats and Dogs works. Our Nightbot will select a name, and you get to choose cat or dog. We pull a card out of a box, and if you have picked the correct critter, you will be added to the list of entries to win some of the prizes available on April 12th. Some of the things that we have, got some Nocta Macro items. This is just a representative sample. This one happens to be a patch that doesn't want to lie too swell. We have silver, we have other coinage, we have compliments of Archaeology Mikey, a Centec digital scale, and who knows what else will appear on the list by the time April 12th rolls around. That being said, the only way to get into the contest is to actually show up in one of my shows and try to win your way into the grand finale, because I am no longer going to be handing out giveaways to people that are not supporting the channel. So if you want to be part of the giveaways, you need to show up and get yourself registered. So far we've got, I'll tell you who we've got in here so far. We've got Jaji Music Man Coins, US Silver Stecker, McHammer Plus Art, David Carlisle, Hoover's Corgis and Coins, Combat Roll Hunt, The Telephone Guy, Kathy's Corner, Jack Gallman, Silver Bull 30, Jesse O, Dirt Troll and Troy, and Pro Metal Detector. Now, since I'm doing a show just about every day, you've still got plenty of time to get yourself logged in on the list of potential winners. So you need to get that done. The only day that I may not be on, and of course all of this also counts on my health, but April 9th I may have a pre-recorded show, so I would not be able to sign anybody up at that time, and that's because I have to go in the hospital for some tests. But other than that, we will be signing people up. You do need to be 18 years of age, live in the United States, or be willing to kick in a little on the postage. Need to be a subscriber. need to show up for the show. So all of those things, and of course all of the regular YouTube rules that are published everywhere. So just letting you know, you want to get in on the goods, you got to show up on my show. And now I'm gonna say thank you to the group The Whole Other for their little song, Winter, Winter Funky Chicken Dinner. There is no specific time on my morning show. It's a coffee show, usually comes on between 8 and 9 a.m., sometimes a little earlier. It's basically when I get up. So that means you need to set your notifications to all. YouTube has just about every month been setting everybody back to none. So if it's a channel you don't go to very often, they'll just set you back to none. So you need to quit not coming here so often. Anyway, that's how you get in. And like I said, this is just a small sample. There could be other things, and there could be a substitution here or there. I don't know. We'll see what happens when it happens. But I'm letting you know now, the only way to get in is to come to my show whenever you see me on and play cat or dog. And you can get more than one entry. So bring your cat, bring your dog. Let's get this thing going. We'll see you very soon, probably tomorrow morning. Have 2 shows tomorrow, one in the morning, one at 5 p.m. So you got 2 chances tomorrow to get in. I thank y'all very much for your support. You might even actually learn something.